An explanation of quantum computing for an 8-year-old. Hello, I understand you are 8 years old. Are you curious about quantum computing? Would you like to know how it works? Okay. Quantum computing is a really cool way of using tiny particles called qubits to solve really complicated problems. But how does it work? Let's find out. First, let's talk about regular computers. You know how computers use tiny switches called transistors to do their work, right? Well, in a quantum computer, we use qubits instead of transistors. Qubits are special because they can be in two different states at once. A bit can be either a 0 or a 1, but a qubit can be both at the same time. This might sound a little bit strange, but it's actually really useful. It means that a quantum computer can work on lots of different solutions to a problem at the same time. And that can make it much faster than a regular computer for some kinds of problems. Now, you might be wondering what kinds of problems a quantum computer can solve. Well, there are lots of things that we still don't know how to solve with regular computers. For example, imagine you have a really long list of numbers, and you need to find the biggest one. A regular computer would have to look at each number one by one, which could take a really long time if there are a lot of numbers. But a quantum computer could look at all the numbers at once, and find the biggest one much more quickly. There are lots of other kinds of problems that quantum computers could be really good at solving too. For example, they could help us understand how to design new materials for things like super-fast computers or new medicines. They could also help us break codes that keep our secrets safe, which is why some people worry that they could be used for bad things too. So, that's quantum computing in a nutshell. It's a way of using tiny particles called qubits to solve really complicated problems much faster than regular computers. Who knows what kinds of amazing things we'll be able to do with quantum computers in the future? Thanks for watching.